Hey, Robert Lesko. I'm back for part 2 of the Ferrule Tube installation. That little paint blob I tried to show you through the bridge is really a lot easier to see now. Right there. That's something your string can get hooked up on. Just wanted to show you that, and we're going to flip it over and do the string ferrule removal. One thing else I would like to add about the mod shop is you see the drill hole here for the ground wire. Well, there was none. It is grounded in the guitar over here. I didn't notice any buzzing, but when I rewire everything, I am gonna probably put one there because it never hurts to have an extra ground. But anyway, for the string ferrules, the ones that are in there now, some are easy, some are hard. I recommend taking a X-Acto knife and very carefully just making sure there's no finish holding them in. And I just take an Allen wrench and I just move it from side to side real slow until you see it wiggle. Okay. And you see it wiggle. If you have fingernails, you can get them down. I don't. So you just kind of work it around a little bit more till it works up. Takes a while, but it's better than just wrenching on it, because then you're going to pull up paint, you're going to scratch your finish, and that's not good. So as it comes out, just pop those out. And I'm going to do the other 5, and then I'll get back to you. If you can see how that's all filled with paint down there. That's a good thing, I think. That means they're really taking their time spraying everything. So, again, wonderfully built instrument. Ground wire, I don't know. Maybe it was an oversight. Maybe it's just something they stopped doing. But, like I said, I didn't notice any buzzing. But I will get back to you with part 3.